All right, it's that time of year in Minnesota here. Spring is upon us. All of the snow is melted. Rotated the tires on the Fusion, just getting some things cleaned up here, and it is time to put the aftermarket summer wheels and tires back on the Raptor. Little update here, we added a car to the garage too. Is a 2017 Shelby GT350 Mustang. So just got that out for the first time. Bought it in December. Got it out for the first time on Saturday and Easter weekend here. So we hit some twisty roads on the GT350 yesterday. Had a blast. So ready to get the wheels and tires on the Raptor. Got the wheels washed up. They weren't really dirty. I cleaned them before I put them away, but gave them a fresh bath, so they're ready to go on. We will get the jack going and get started here. So one thing you'll see is that I break all the lug nuts loose manually and then spin them off with a electric impact. I'm sure people will comment telling me that's silly, but I don't really give a crap. That's the way I like to do it. Everybody complains about the two-piece lug nuts bulging and getting stuck in their sockets, and this is how you avoid that. Impact wrenches are what causes that problem to the lug nuts, and that's not just a Ford thing. There are lots of other OEMs that use those same two-piece lug nuts. So my way around it is not using an impact wrench, other than just spinning them off and loosely seating them before I torque them down. So if you do it a different way, that's fine. So we'll get the back end lifted up and get those two on first and get started here. We are done with the back ones. Gonna reposition the camera and move on to the fronts. Well, Harley, get out of the way. Well, got them all finished up, installed. Looks good as I remember. A little bit bigger. Mickey Thompson Baja Legend EXP tire in a 305/70/18. And the wheel is a Weld Ledge 6 with a plus 20mm offset, so about a ½ an inch farther out than factory. There they are, all torqued down. I'll roll it out and throw a little footage in out in the sun. Well, here it is, orange, code orange in all its glory in the sunshine, with the summer wheels and tires on. Sorry for my shadow. This is the first time I've had this set of wheels and tires on since the leveling collars and the 1-inch spring spacer in the rear that I did over the winter. So there they are. They look as good as I remember from last summer. Super happy with those, how they came out. So let me know what you think, and if you like the videos, like and subscribe for more Raptor content and maybe some upcoming GT350 stuff too. Thanks for watching.